The clock is ticking. You're in an exam, staring at a prompt for a creative response, and the blank page is staring back. The pressure mounts. You're waiting for that lightning bolt of inspiration, that magical idea that will solve everything. But what if I told you that's the wrong way to think about it? Strong creative writing isn't about waiting for a muse. It's about having a process, a reliable, systematic method that works every time, especially when you're under pressure. It starts before you even write a single sentence of your story. You have to become a detective. Analyze the original text, its characters, its themes, its hidden gaps. Find a moment that hasn't been told, a perspective that hasn't been heard. Once you found it, make a quick 10-minute plan. Decide your form, your character, and your key moments. This plan is your roadmap. It prevents you from getting lost halfway through. Then you write the first draft. The goal here isn't perfection, it's completion. Get a beginning, a middle, and an end down on the page. Don't worry about the perfect word, just get the story out. As you write, you're walking a tightrope, balancing your own creative spark with staying true to the world of the original text. Is this something the character would really do? Does it add new insight? Finally, you revise, not just once, but in focused layers. First, check the big picture. Does the story work? Is the character consistent? Then, zoom in on the craft. Is the language sharp? Is the voice authentic? And lastly, polish the technical details. This systematic process turns a daunting task into a series of manageable steps. It's a skill you build through practice, one that replaces anxiety with the confidence to create on command.